everyone, welcome to Simple Things. Tempering is a cooking technique which makes the Indian cooking so richly spicy and aromatic. It is a must in every Indian dish. Without that, our dishes are incomplete. It's something that the older generation passes on to the younger generation as a part of our tradition. But we are blindly following what our elders taught us without even thinking about the benefits or why it is necessary or even if there is a simpler way of making it and storing it. So, in this video, I will show a tested and foolproof method to make and store tempered spices. If you think the flavors will be lost if you store and keep, I can assure you that the spices remains fresh till the last day, as I have been doing this for years now. But you have to follow the steps correctly. It will be extremely useful for those who struggle to save some time in the kitchen and those who are allergic to the smoke in the kitchen but can't avoid the daily chores. Oil consumption is very less as it will need only half an amount of oil which you use daily for tempering. Less mess as every time tempering will contribute a greasy stove. Less cleaning time. So let's start. The most important thing to remember is to follow the exact measurements. Hot oil not only extract and retain the aroma and flavor of spices, but also it enhances the medicinal values of it. Our first concern is the oil should not be overheated, then all the taste will be lost. And overheated oil is bad for health. And if it won't reach the correct heating point, mustard seeds won't pop. If the oil is overheated, the mustard seeds will burn. That's why it's very important that the oil reaches the correct heating point. I'm using the small mustard seeds here. There are two things that you have to remember. First one is I'm using a small pan. Okay, if you're using a wide pan, the oil will be heated up more quickly. So after 2 minutes, be careful. You can check if your oil is in correct heating point by putting one mustard seed inside. If it crackles, it means oil is ready. Second thing, if all of the seeds didn't pop up after switching off the flame, that means your oil was not heated enough. Then put the fire in sim mode and wait until the seeds crackles, okay? But there is a higher risk of burning the oil, so be careful. Mustard seeds are good for digestion. It's best known for its anti-inflammatory qualities. It's also good for muscle pain. If you ever wondered why mustard seeds crackle when put in hot oil, it's because they contain moisture. When placed in hot oil, the water in the seeds try to escape, making them pop open. Other than adding spicy flavor, the chili helps in relieving pain and weight loss. It is also rich in vitamins. Curry leaves are rich in iron and calcium. It's also good for stomach conditions and eyesight. has a number of health benefits, including promoting digestion, reduce blood sugar and cholesterol. It also boosts our immune system.
If you want to store it for long, do not add onion, garlic or ginger. Oil will be spoiled over time. Store in a glass container. Make sure the container is completely dry before adding the tempered spice. Every time you dip a spoon inside, make sure it won't have any moisture in it.
For me, it will last for 2 weeks. Sometimes I make the double amount of it and store it for a month too. If your consumption is high, then you can also double up the amount that I too can try. If for the first time it didn't work out for you, don't worry. Once you master this properly, this will be extremely useful for you. Adjust your heating time according to your pan size and usage.